this country is far too reliant on a capitalistic model for how it operates, and that means that workers are not valued in the way that they need to be. So revaluing, like changing that structure so that work is valued and is given more value, and like the actual act of being a worker is um, far more valuable. And so there's lots of examples of how that works in other countries and in other spaces where you can have employment opportunities where it's not like you lose your job and everything is a mess. But we are in a capitalistic society. So, in this society, what we could do to try to mitigate some of the impacts, the negative mental health impacts of unemployment, would be to have generous unemployment benefits so that people could have the time and the energy to find other jobs and not have to worry about not being able to pay rent and not being able to support their children in daycare and all of these things just because they lost their job. That is something that other communities and other countries do very effectively. And they don't see the same negative outcomes from unemployment that we see in our communities, where people don't get those same benefits and they really become very stressed and very overwhelmed by all of the additional burden that comes when you lose your job in this country.